You're looking for something different. Maybe it's time for a new career or a fresh start. Maybe you've always been driven to learn more and try new things. Maybe you're ready for a new challenge. The workforce and career programs at Wenatchee Valley College are for you. The programs we offer are high demand, so you can kickstart your career and get connected to industry experts. With dedicated instructors and financial support available, we're behind you every step of the way. Our classes are more than hands-on. They're in the shop, behind the wheel, in the field. Automotive technology and agricultural programs are for those who aren't afraid to get their hands dirty. Computer technology, industrial technology, machining and digital design programs let you master tools for the future of technology and design. With early childhood education, you can go from in the classroom to at the front of it. Our programs are for learners who like a challenge, who like to see results, who learn best by doing. Are you ready for something new? Find your next career at Wenatchee Valley College. We have options for learners like you.